Hey there, welcome back to Basic Bananas TV. In this video tip, I'm going to share with you how to create different content for your website. Basically a process to make it easy to come up with the different content. So if you create things like articles for your website, once a month or once every 2 weeks or even weekly, one of the hardest things, which you'll be aware of, is coming up with new content ideas over and over and over and over. Or you might do video tips on your website, like a video tip like this, and coming up with different content. Or you might have a podcast, anything where you've got to create this new content over and over and over again. This is what we call the content idea generator. This is something that's a part of our Clever Bunch program, just one of hundreds of templates we have in the program that we share with our members, which I'm going to give you a little preview on today and how to use it. What you do with this is you come up with the topics. So let's say your topic was health, like weight loss. Let's just use an example like weight loss, everyone would understand. So weight loss. What we could have then is it might be weight loss, and then there might be another one on posture. Let's say, posture and back pain. Now, let's say back pain. Actually, let's do weight loss and back pain just so it's really clear. So we've got two ideas. Now, usually what would happen with that is you've got two different articles, you write them and you're done, and then you need to come up with new content. What we do with this is we write the ideas and then we have different styles of writing. It could be different styles of delivery through video or podcast, of course, but we call them writing styles, where you do a how-to. So you might do a how-to on weight loss, 5 steps to weight loss. And then you might do a how to set up your office space to reduce back pain. So you've got 2 different content ideas. Then what we can do is we can come back to the same topic, which is weight loss, but we can simply just go to a different writing style. Like we might go to news. Here's the latest in news when it comes to back pain and updates. Here's a review of weight loss. It would be back pain over here. Here's a review of some weight loss diet or products or something. Here's a case study of a customer who we worked with to have weight loss. You get the idea. So we might come back and go, here's a review of a weight loss product, and then we'll come over here and do a case study on someone who we helped relieve their back pain and set up their office space. Then we might go, next week we'll do this product latest news, of a back pain product. You get the idea. And then we might do a question and answer where we'll interview someone on weight loss. So suddenly by mixing it up, we got Q&A, we got mistakes, we got myth busting, we got an interview, we got a story, we've got steps, we got a day in the life. So basically using different writing styles, it's like we can come up with so much different content that is completely unique, even though we only had 2 topic ideas in the first place. Through the delivery, we can make it unique and completely unique different content for each piece. So you come up with a few different ideas and then you can mix it up in terms of delivery, and you can create a lot of unique content by using this awesome tool that we call the Content Idea Generator. I know this will be super useful, and you'll probably make life a lot easier for you if you do implement this and start using it, if you are creating regular content, that is, of course. And yeah, if you know anyone else who would benefit from knowing this process that I've just shared with you, please go ahead and share it with anyone you like. That's why we create these tips. Make life easier for another business owner by sharing this with them, or another marketer who does create content, or someone who creates content for you to make life easier on them. And of course, if anything else, get in touch with the team at basicbananas.com. We're more than happy to help. If you love our tips and things we share, please go ahead. Maybe leave us a review on Google Reviews. If you search Basic Bananas on the map, you can leave us a Google review on there. Or check out the Marketing Blast-Off workshop. It's a free session that we're running online at the moment. It's jam-packed full of marketing gold, and it's a nice short online session. It's totally free. It's run 100% live, so we're there interacting. You can ask your questions and things. It's called the Marketing Blast-Off workshop. Check it out on basicbananas.com. You'll find the link to it, the Marketing Blast-Off workshop. You can click and register, and we'll see you online. Bye for now.